MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator used in technical analysis. It helps traders identify potential buy and sell signals by showing the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your trades using the MACD indicator. We'll cover both demo mode, where you can safely test your strategy under real market conditions using virtual money, and live mode, where trades are executed directly in your crypto exchange account using real money. First, we'll explore how MACD works, and afterward, I'll introduce you to a powerful tool and guide you through integrating automated trading based on this popular indicator. The MACD indicator consists of three primary components: the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. The MACD line represents the difference between the 12-period and the 26-period exponential moving average, measuring momentum and trend direction. The signal line is a 9-period exponential moving average of the MACD line itself, providing a smoother representation of its movement. Finally, the histogram illustrates the distance between the MACD line and the signal line, visually indicating momentum strength and shifts in market direction. Traders often use the golden crossover for entries, which occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating increasing bullish momentum and suggesting the possibility of an upward trend. Additionally, the histogram changing color from red to green signifies that the MACD line has moved above the signal line, reflecting strengthening positive momentum and indicating potential upward market movement. Now, let's see how we can automate these signals. With CryptoTailor, you can easily automate the MACD indicator by converting your strategy into a trading bot that operates around the clock on any trading pair you choose. You can run this bot in demo mode to safely test your strategy under real market conditions, or in live mode, where it securely connects to your crypto exchange account using API keys and executes trades automatically. Before I show you that, make sure to watch our video about how to automatically buy the dip after market dumps. In that video, I've fully explained how you can create a trading bot that automatically opens a position whenever a significant dump occurs, enabling you to capitalize on sudden market declines and benefit from potential price recoveries. Okay, let's first create our strategy from the left menu. Begin by selecting a title for your strategy. I'll simply call mine MACD. Next, we need to define our buy conditions. From the available options, select MACD. After that, choose the time frame you'd like your strategy to operate on. For this example, I'll pick the 8-hour time frame. Finally, for the buy condition, select MACD line crosses above the signal line, commonly known as the golden cross. Of course, relying solely on MACD as the condition for opening positions isn't sufficient for successful trading. Typically, you should combine multiple indicators to enhance the accuracy of your strategies. For example, pairing it with RSI or other complementary indicators helps confirm signals and reduces false entries. Next, you'll need to define your sell conditions, again using various indicators, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll skip this part for now. Remember, you can always combine multiple indicators as the sell signal and thoroughly test your strategy in demo mode using virtual money before running it live. In the last section, we need to define our take profit and stop loss levels. These settings are closely related to the time frame you've chosen for your strategy. For example, if you're using a higher time frame, such as the daily, avoid setting overly tight stop loss levels like 1%, since the crypto market is highly volatile, and tight stops could prematurely close your positions due to normal price fluctuations. It's important to adjust your stop loss and take profit percentages accordingly, aligning them with the selected time frame to give your trades enough room to develop. Finally, when you click Save, your strategy will be ready. To automate it, simply click on Convert Strategy to Smart Trade Bot and complete the process in 3 straightforward steps. The first step involves choosing your exchange and trading pair. In this example, I'll select Binance and Bitcoin. Selecting the exchange at this stage is crucial because, in demo mode, the platform tracks real-time price movements from your chosen exchange, allowing trades to be simulated under authentic market conditions. This helps ensure your strategy is thoroughly and accurately tested before going live. If you'd like to monitor several trading pairs simultaneously, you can create multiple bots. In the next step, we'll configure the capital investment by deciding how much the bot should use for each position. There are two ways to do this, using a static amount or a dynamic percentage. With the static amount option, each trade will open using a fixed sum, such as 100 USDT. Regardless of the wallet's total balance, the bot will consistently allocate the same amount per position. Alternatively, the dynamic percentage option lets the bot automatically calculate the position size based on a chosen percentage of your spot wallet balance on the exchange. For instance, if set to 10%, the bot uses 10% of the current balance to open each position. This option supports auto-compounding, meaning the position size increases proportionally as your wallet balance grows, enabling you to maximize returns progressively. In demo mode, positions are set by default to 100 USDT each. In the final step, we'll give our bot a title, select whether to run it in demo mode using virtual funds or live mode with actual money, and decide if it should activate immediately upon creation. Additionally, we can configure how the bot behaves after executing a trade. By default, the bot disables itself after opening a position, which helps prevent multiple simultaneous positions when the buy condition remains valid. However, enabling the auto reactivation option allows the bot to automatically re-enable itself once the previous position closes. We can also turn on Telegram notifications, which lets the bot provide real-time updates and detailed reports about your trades directly to your Telegram account. Finally, by clicking on Save, our smart trade bot is now fully operational in the background, continuously monitoring Bitcoin on Binance. It will automatically open a position using virtual funds whenever a MACD golden cross is detected. After a position is opened, you can monitor it live in the Open Positions menu. Once your strategy's sell conditions are met, or the position reaches its take profit or stop loss levels, the platform will automatically close the position for you. You can then review the strategy's historical performance in detail within the Closed Positions menu, which provides comprehensive statistics including the total number of trades executed, the number of winning or losing positions, win rate, and overall profit or loss. Additionally, by navigating to the Reports section and selecting the Daily P&L menu, you can further analyze daily profit and loss figures, helping you better understand and optimize your strategy's performance over time. Now that you've learned how to automate this strategy in demo mode using virtual funds, let's take the next step, connecting your bot directly to your crypto exchange, allowing it to trade with real money. From the Exchanges menu, you can securely link your bot to your preferred exchange using API keys. All exchanges provide API keys to safely grant third-party apps limited trading capabilities without compromising the security of your account. To simplify this process, there's a detailed step-by-step guide available for each exchange, showing you precisely how to generate API keys and configure the correct permissions. For maximum security, always ensure the API keys have their permissions set to trade only, meaning the bot can place and manage trades but never withdraw or access your funds. Once your exchange account is successfully connected, activating live trading is straightforward. Simply switch your bot from demo mode to live mode. From now on, whenever the buy condition is met, the bot will automatically use your exchange's API keys to execute trades, placing buy and sell orders and managing your positions based on the take profit and stop loss levels you've specified. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to submit a support ticket, and our team will gladly assist you. You can also leave a comment below, and we'll respond as soon as possible. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more insights on trading automation and algorithmic trading strategies. See you in the next video.